Ever pondered about the immensity and complexity of our world? It's a mosaic of landscapes, cultures, and climates, each uniquely riveting and infinitely varied. Picture a globe or a world map with the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the expansive Sahara Desert. Our world is a marvel of geographical wonders waiting to be discovered. Geography, often misconceived as mere locations on a map, is much more profound. It's the study of the world's soul, its pulse, its rhythm. It's deciphering how the world's physical characteristics mold our cultures, our societies, and surprisingly, even our politics. Visualize this: the verdant Amazon rainforest, residence to millions of species, a testament to the power of life. Or envision the icy tundras of Siberia, a stark reminder of nature's severity and splendor. Each square inch of our planet narrates a tale that's been evolving for billions of years. So fasten your seatbelts, geography enthusiasts and inquisitive minds alike. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to be awestruck as we plunge into the sphere of geography. Let's kick off with a grand overview of our continents. There are 7 continents on our planet, each with their own unique peculiarities and features. We're all familiar with the basics, but let's dig a little deeper into some intriguing facts about these gargantuan landforms. First on our visual journey, Africa. Displayed on screen is the only continent that can boast of straddling all 4 hemispheres: north, south, east, and west. It's a multicultural landscape with over 2,000 languages spoken, and it's also the cradle of human civilization. Africa, you're truly a world in yourself. Transitioning now to the icy expanse of Antarctica, a fact that may startle you is revealed. It's the driest of all continents. Exactly, you heard correctly. Despite being swathed in ice, Antarctica experiences an average of just 2 inches of precipitation each year, technically classifying it as a desert. It's also a breeding ground for some of the fiercest winds on Earth, with gusts reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. We now turn our focus to Asia, the most expansive continent in terms of both physical size and population. It's the cradle of some of the world's earliest civilizations, and is the location of the highest and lowest points on Earth, Mount Everest and the Dead Sea, respectively. And that's just scratching the surface. Let's shift our lens to something a tad smaller. Now let's dive deeper and explore some picture Russia, the largest country in the world, stretching across an astounding 11 time zones. Can you imagine? When it's time for breakfast in Moscow, people are already having dinner in Kamchatka? Now let's fly to the other side of the globe. Here, visualize Canada, the 2nd largest country in terms of land area. But don't let its grandeur mislead you. Despite its enormity, Canada is home to less than half the population of the United Kingdom, making it one of the most sparsely populated countries in the world. Swinging Brazil, imagine being in a country that cradles the Amazon, the largest rainforest on Earth. Its enormity is such that it is responsible for generating a staggering 20% of the world's oxygen. Take a deep breath in and out, and appreciate Brazil. Even with visual aids, there's no end to the peculiarities and wonders that our world's countries hold. From Bhutan, the only country in the world that absorbs more CO2 than it produces, to Monaco, the 2nd smallest country but the most densely populated. Isn't it breathtaking how diverse our world is? But wait, there's more. Let's take a closer look at some cities. Cities, aren't they the pulse of human civilization? Serving as the epicenters of culture, commerce, and creativity, cities always have a few tricks in their bag. First, we will to Istanbul. As you can see in this image, this city is a geographical wonder, a gateway between 2 different worlds. The only city in the world that spreads over 2 continents, Europe and Asia. Picture this, having your breakfast in Europe and then crossing a bridge for lunch in Asia, all within your city's limits. Now isn't that a true continental adventure? Now let's shift our focus to a city west of Los Angeles, California. You might be picturing a Pacific Island city, perhaps Hawaii? But no, we're talking about Reno, Nevada. As you can see in this video, despite being housed within the landlocked state of Nevada, Reno actually lies further west than Los Angeles. This fact is a testament to the intricacies of state boundaries and Earth's curvature. Quite the brain teaser, right? And ever heard of a moving city? Here, watch this video of Kiruna in Sweden. The entire city is in the process of relocating 2 miles east due to the risk of sinkholes caused by iron ore mining. Now that's a proactive solution to a problem, moving an entire city. And we mustn't Sydney, Australia. Renowned for its magnificent harbor and iconic opera house, it's often falsely identified as the nation's capital. But the truth is that Canberra, a city designed and built specifically to be the capital, holds the title. Each city, with its dynamic cultures and distinct histories, is a treasure trove of surprises. They challenge our understanding, test our geographical knowledge, and always leave us longing for more. Each city narrates its own story, a narrative intertwined with the tapestry of our world. Aren't these facts becoming increasingly intriguing? Let's continue discovering. Now let's embark on a visual journey to explore the natural wonders of the world. The Earth, our shared home, is a chest filled with breathtaking treasures, each with its own captivating story to narrate. Imagine the Amazon rainforest, a sprawling carpet of green that darts across 9 nations. It's more than just a forest. It's the world's grandest natural pharmacy and plays host to roughly 1/4 of all land species, but perhaps its fundamental role lies in its contribution to the oxygen we inhale. The Amazon rainforest is accountable for generating an astonishing 20% of the world's oxygen, meaning every 5th breath we take is a gift from this green titan. Now, let's dive beneath the waves into the Pacific Ocean to the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth. This submerged canyon plunges so deep that if you were to place Mount Everest at its foot, the summit would still be over a mile under the surface. Its most profound point, the Challenger Deep, submerges to nearly 7 miles. The extreme pressure at this depth equates to having 50 jumbo jets stacked on you. Yet, despite these severe conditions, life endures, showcasing nature's tenacity. Next, envision the Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, a heavenly ballet of light prancing across the dark sky. This spectacle is not merely a visual treat, but a testament to our planet's magnetic field. These lights are created from collisions between Earth's atmosphere and charged particles from the Sun. Then there's the Great Barrier Reef, the world's most extensive coral reef system, so large that it's visible even from the vastness of outer space. Comprising nearly 3,000 individual reefs and hosting a diversity of life that challenges even the most abundant tropical rainforest, it's a universe within our world. These marvels stand as a testament to our planet's magnificence. The expedition has just begun. There's still more to discover. What a journey it has been, hasn't it? We've traversed the globe from the comfort of our seats, exploring the fascinating facets of geography. We've delved into continents, each with their unique charm and mysteries, from the icy expanses of Antarctica to the diverse landscapes of Africa. Our journey took us to countries each holding curiosities and wonders that defy the ordinary, where we discovered that borders are merely lines on a map. But the cultures and traditions they enclose are nothing short of extraordinary. We meandered through cities, those bustling hubs of human civilization, where history and modernity coexist, and every street tells a story. And finally, we marveled at natural wonders, those breathtaking spectacles that remind us of the awe-inspiring power of nature. Geography, in its immense diversity and richness, shapes our perception of the world. It tells the story of Earth, and ultimately, our story. Next time you look at a map, remember there's more than meets the eye. Stay curious and keep exploring.